Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure the Fluke 1736 has sufficient battery or a DC supply and that you have the right leads and clamps. Next, connect voltage leads to each phase and place current clamps on their matching conductors. This prevents phase mismatch errors later. Once connected, power on the logger, enter the date and time, and name the measurement session. Finally, choose your sampling rate, 1 second for transient detail or 10 seconds for long-term trends, so the device records the data you need. Once the device is on and named, you configure channels. Assign each voltage and current clamp to its phase, and enable neutral monitoring for unbalanced systems. Then verify clamp orientation and accuracy. Flip clamps if readings are inverted and perform a zero or offset check if the instrument offers it. Use the meter or waveform screen to confirm live RMS voltages and currents, check phase sequence, and ensure there are no open circuits. Make sure readings look sane before you start logging to avoid wasted data. Start logging and immediately note the start time and a quick snapshot of key readings so you have context. Let the 1736 run for your planned duration, then stop recording and save the session to internal memory. Next, export to Fluke's Smart View or copy via USB for analysis. If files look incomplete or values are zero, first check fuses, clamp seating, and channel assignments. Then verify the sample rate wasn't set too low. If problems persist, perform a short test log after adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.